Hello friends, welcome once again. In our previous video, I shared with you how to make groundnut oil. Today we are starting from where we stopped, where I will be sharing with you how to make kuli kuli with the remaining peanut paste. I'll start by adding some sugar to the peanut paste, add some salt, grounded pepper, and ginger powder. Mix all the ingredients together until it is properly combined. Once all the ingredients are well integrated into the groundnut paste, then cut into your desired shape. So I'll start by dipping my hands into water so that the groundnut paste doesn't stick to my hand. Then mold into my desired shape. You can mold your kuli kuli into your desired shape, as there are different types of kuli kuli shapes. Molding our kuli kuli, it is time for us to fry. So I'll start by adding them to the preheated oil. Make sure to fry your kuli kuli on a very low heat. By doing this, the kuli kuli releases its remaining oil into the oil. It also prevents the kuli kuli from being cooked outside and uncooked inside. After adding the kuli kuli to the oil, allow to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes before stirring. Stir at interval. Allow to fry until it becomes dried and golden brown. Then remove from the oil. In this way, the kuli kuli becomes crispy and can stay long at home. Once become dry, remove from the oil. Then we have our crispy and delicious kuli kuli. If you are not following me yet, please follow me as I have more great videos for you. Please like this video, comment and share with your loved ones. Thanks so much for spending your time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.